I know that, Andrew, cash flow is a big part of the services that you offer
Yes.
and your expertise. What do you have to add to the?
Yeah, so I guess I would say, first off, it's incredible the number of business owners that if you ask them in a month and a half from now, how much will your business bank account, what will the balance be? Your balance today is 5,000, what will it be in a month and a half? Majority of them will say, I don't know. Which is incredible, but it's the truth.
Ask my CFO.
Yeah, well, I mean, they don't have a CFO. Yeah, so I think if we go back, I know this is the second time I've done this, but if we go back to the stage today, the discussion on the stage, and the gentleman from LiveWell, he said, out of 10 people, maybe only a few of them are really good managers. The rest are not. Some can be trained. I think the exact same applies from my experience to business owners in finance. Some business owners are naturally finance people. A lot are not. And there's nothing wrong with that. If you're not that person, then have a good partner or accountant or someone, maybe you have a business partner and they're the finance person. And what you need to do is you need to build a cash flow and be forecasting ahead on an ongoing basis. So for our clients that are a little bit larger, we do, depends on the type of business, but we do a 2-month or 6 month rolling cash flow. So every single week, we're updating that cash flow, and that's showing, okay, in the next 6 weeks or next 2 months, next 6 months, here's what your cash situation looks like. By doing that, we can spot, okay, 2 months from now, on this week here, you're gonna have a problem. And going back to what Debbie said, the last thing we wanna have a problem with is payroll. You actually, the integrity of your business, your employee, nothing's more nerve-wracking than my employer the check just bounced, or the direct deposit didn't come in today, and I have rent due on Monday. What am I gonna do about it? So I think planning, but actually working and building weekly ongoing plan. It should become part of your business. Every Monday, update your sheet that okay, what does my money look like in 8 weeks from now? And it shouldn't be hard because you have a recurring business model, you're getting this amount of money every month. Otherwise, what we do is for clients that don't have recurring, we take the current AR list, plus we get them to build a pipeline. You should have a pipeline list built. So for our one client, they're purely just transactional. They have AR, so we know the accounts receivable should come in, and every week we say, okay, this money's due this week, make sure you get on top of the client. It's incredible how many businesses work so hard to get the client, they make the sale, but then they actually make no effort to collect the money that's owed to them. No, but it's true. I see so many clients will come and their AR 3 months, 4 months overdue. So I think building a good process for collecting money and then a good process for forecasting, what's the money gonna look like, and having a pipeline process, that's kind of the key to cash flow. And we do that for clients, but you can do it yourself as well. It's just a little template, money in, money out, end of week, next week, next week, next week. It's an Excel spreadsheet.
Awesome, I love it. I love Excel spreadsheets. Again, safe space, we can admit these things here.